this is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the markets, along with trading advice or tips and viewing live day trades, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching NQ here. I took a trade earlier this morning for a $50 loss. And so I'm looking to take another position here on NQ. I think we're about to see a nice breakout opportunity. So I'm going to see if I can come back from this small losing trade here.
Order filled.
I am now in the trade. I'm looking for 8 points here. Let's see if the price of NQ can continue higher.
Order filled.
I am all out of the trade for $160, which equated to 8 points or 32 ticks. So you can see here I took 2 trades this morning. The first trade was a losing trade. The second trade was a winner. So I am now up $106 in about 15 minutes here, day trading the E-mini Nasdaq futures market. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.